What's going on? Nick here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a 2013 Harley Davidson Sportster 883 Super Low. Great looking bike, low miles, great condition. Looked it over real good. The only thing I found was a couple of little scrape marks on that top pipe. As far as the paint and everything else, it looked awesome. It's got the oversized passenger pad, a lot of cushion there, and the color is called Big Blue Pearl. Out in the sunlight, it gets hints of green, kind of some purple flake. 883cc fuel injected V-twin 5-speed transmission. It's got mid controls. This is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles. It's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, gave it a professional detail. That includes the wash, buff, wax, polishing of all the chrome. Everything gets done, top to bottom. Good tire on the front. It's got a little bit of oxidation on these lower fork legs. Bike runs and rides great, no mechanical issues. And again, super low miles on this bike. 1,858. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. Take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.